Hey friends, if you wish to back up Gmail to hard drive on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So go to myaccount.google.com. You may be logged in using an Gmail ID, but the account is Google's account and it is valid to all applications associated with Google. So to manage this account, go to myaccount.google.com and log in using the same ID. Now go to this option here on the list on the left hand side, which says data and privacy. Scroll down. You can actually see all of your data here, every purchase, everything. Now, if you wish to download it, simply click on download your data. You're creating a backup actually. It will take you to Google Takeout, takeout.google.com, and then you'll have to give access and all, and then you'll have to scroll down. Or if you wish to remove access for a few things like saved pages and all, that's up to you. And then click on next step, and then it will send you this download link via Gmail, and maybe you have more options. You can add it to Drive, okay, and then you can scroll down and say that you want it in zip file, 2 GB file, and then you can click on create export. It will start exporting it and you will get it into your Google Drive. Now this needs quite a while, so I'll leave it here, but this is all you need to do, and then it will be created on your Google Drive. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.